Do you want to build a CSS layout that just works? Something like this perhaps. Let me show you CSS Grid in under 60 seconds. First, let's start with some simple HTML. We're going to create a div of grid container, and within here, we're going to create some child elements. So we'll create 3 divs using Emmet, press tab, and 1, 2, and 3. And you can see I've added some base styling to this. I'll show you in the CSS. So within here, if I open this, I've added some base styling just for these blocks, but that's not important right now. In the CSS, let's style grid container. And the very first thing you want to do is define the container. And we do that through display grid. And then we want to control the layout. And we do that through grid template columns. And for now, we'll add a 1 fraction and 1 fraction and 1 fraction. So basically 3 fractions. And that essentially creates 3 columns. But we've got an issue. There is no gap between them. So let's add gap 30 pixels. And then we have some spacing between them. Now we can change this to have just 2 columns. So if we do this, we do 1 fraction, it then creates just 2 columns. We can even just have a single column and you get all 3 of them stacked like this. And just for tidiness, we'll do text, align, center. And there we go. That is the very basics of CSS Grid in 60 seconds.